Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, this coin, Matic, uh, I have been a fan of this particular coin. I have been consistently talking about this coin, Matic, on my channel, even from the last year's bull market. But I specifically gave example of this particular coin and asked people to accumulate uh, in the depths of the bear market when you're having $18,000 Bitcoin, $90,000 Bitcoin. So Matic reached the bottom approximately at 31 cents. And guys, if you remember, I literally talked about like a week or two back that this is the time to be accumulating Matic. Why? Because this is one of the great projects. Why? Because of the mass adoption that is happening with it. I mean, Matic is everywhere. Despite the fact it's already $7 billion market capitalization, it has jumped from 30 cents 300%. We are talking 31 cents to 93 cents, that is 300%. And during the bear market, that's the major part. Like during the depths of the bear, as you can see, this one is 36 cents, or even before that it was even lower. So here you have like, okay, 33 cents or something, and right now we are at 93 cents. So this is like 300% jump. So what kind of partnership that we are talking about right now? Just few days back, Disney, I mean, I'll repeat, Disney, one of the biggest names that probably everyone on the planet knows of, they want to enter into this Web3 field, and out of all the competitors, they chose Matic. But it doesn't stop here. Few months earlier, they already were chosen by Instagram to be launching the NFT. The entire crypto market is having 300 million users, but Instagram alone is having a billion users. Just imagine, a billion users will be presented with NFT technology, and everything will be based onto the Matic. But not just that, the Stripe. I mean, if I just Google search, let's say I write Matic Disney, you will be hearing about the partnership. Disney just partnered with this big crypto. And as you can see, one of the article, like why Matic on a gaining spree. Disney chooses Polygon or Matic for the metaverse. Just imagine. Now this is just one of the thing. Another, I mean, if you see Matic and Instagram, so you'll find the news that Instagram, like Zuckerberg, actually the Meta company, chose Matic for their NFT project that they will be launching. But the story doesn't stop over here. Even they had onto the Reddit. So basically on the Reddit, there will be some sort of a launch happening, and they will be actually using the Matic network, Polygon network. And this is apart from all the scaling solution that Matic was already providing. Tremendous amount of growth rate in the number of users on a daily basis, the amount of users that is using. I mean, if you call an innovation which is actually being mass adopted and at a really high rate, Matic would be. And I think even with the Stripe, they had this some sort of partnership. So as you can see, Stripe is expanding, and platforms using Stripe can send money to on Polygon. So basically, even onto the Stripe, there you go. Stripe partners India's Polygon to enable crypto payouts. So what we are talking about is that, like, yes, I already told you, like, this is the lifetime opportunity. Even if your portfolio is down, you have not been able to sell during the bull market, your portfolio is completely down, use it as an opportunity that, okay, probably this is the last time we are getting it for 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents. You should have dollar cost average it and put your money so that you could have enjoyed this 300% gain. But what I'll suggest you right now, like, this should be one of the learning lesson for all of us. Like, if there is a mass adoption into the project, if the people are actually liking the project, if the solution provided by a project is really accepted, then whenever you are having a low price due to external circumstances, so this is an opportunity to be accumulating. So should have been with the Matic, but right now it's already pumped 300% from the bottom. So what I'll suggest to you, probably a little bit of cool down might happen, and you never know if the Bitcoin, like, because obviously the Bitcoin is also pumping right now. It just crossed $22,000 after a while, and some of the daily resistance as well, it just crossed. So maybe they could be pullback. So when you are talking about accumulating Matic again, I mean, there are a lot of other projects which have a lot of potential to pump as well, but for the time being, probably you need to be waiting for the pullback if you want to enter into Matic again. Because what I feel, if the Bitcoin cools down, reverses a little bit, or crashes a little bit due to some of the things that happens during the bear market, you will again find a good entry point. And anyway, this should be the practice. Like the coin which has already pumped 300%, 400%, those are the time to be actually taking the profit, at least for the short term. In the long term, definitely I believe Matic is definitely crossing $10. I mean, I have said it even when it was 30 cents. I said it is going to cross $10 or even $15 or even more during the bull market. So this is the learning lesson, guys. The partnerships, adoption, these are the parameters that we look for the investment. And then what is the upside potential, and cherry on top, if you are getting it really cheap during the depths of the bear market. You buy the fear and you sell the greed. When everyone will be greedy, everything will be going up. When you see the next bull market coming, probably Bitcoin reaching $100,000, Matic probably touching $20 or something, like you're already having the people who bought at 30 cents, they will be getting probably the $20 would be something like 80x, 70x, right? I mean, those are the time to be starting to take the profit. When the greed is there, everyone wants to jump in, the retail wants to jump in. But when the fear is there, retail wants to just sell it and move out of the things. That's when you would want to buy. You need to buy the fear and sell the greed. So again, guys, I hope you like the video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel will be everything about how do we grow your finances. That's what the goal of this channel is, to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers. And yes, smash the like button, comment down below, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.